Hello guys and welcome back again to Cryptohashi. For today's video, I'm going to share you another platform that will blow your mind. This is the Starglow, is where fandom meets finance, guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright now guys, we are on the website of the Starglow. Starglow, the first glow producer, guys. So how to earn rewards, just click this one. First glow producer, SBT, $3,000 plus value, guys. So more than just a supporter, this is a proof that you are a true co-producer who walk in the entire growth journey with the artist. So complete all stages and have you chosen artist selected as a final glow artist to earn this exclusive SBT, guys. So producer membership, receive producer membership for all final glow artists, total of $3,000 plus value. Exclusive NFT tickets, private access to your chosen artist content, concerts, and special events. Governance access, producer only reward pools and decision making. And also the TGE premium benefits, additional special rewards at the TGE. So how can you earn, or how to earn here, guys? Collect all stages, SBT. Your artist gets selected and then achieve first glow producer. Then how to get your stage SBT, guys? Click this one and then you need to vote right here. So core SBT granted to user who meaningfully contributed to artist grow and selection in each round. There are three types: stage 1, stage 2, final, and you must collect all three to earn the first producer SBT. So how to earn? So both with the glow tickets, using your tickets, guys. So use 300 plus ticket on a specific artist, 300 plus glow ticket, stake Bera, stake 3,000 plus Bera on a specific artist, 3,000 plus Beras. The benefits of this one is to glow membership choice, choose one scouter membership for one artist, QR2 manager memberships, and the next round rewards, glow ticket and SGPT rewards, special event access, opportunities for token airdrops events. Wow. Stage SBT types, stage 1, earn 1 to 100 up to 30, stage 2, 2 to 30, 10, final SBT earn final stage is 10 out of 3. So back to first producer SBT and then how to get glow ticket. Okay, so this is the glow ticket, guys. We have R1, R3 tickets right here. Your voting right to select artists directly. Also a key data signal for unsupport. Vote with glow tickets, and if your artist advances, you get rewarded. So artist promoting, promote artists on social media and earn tickets. Directly purchased by glow tickets for 0.5 each, guys. So Bera, card, or USDC, you can choose whatever you like, guys. Bera staking, receive 3% of staked Bera as tickets. Stake 300 plus Bera, must be. So usage, so vote in each stage and glow raffle. The benefits of this one is 3 times SGP when artist advances. If your artist advances to the next round, earn 3 times SGP based on ticket use. So stage SBT required, use 300 plus tickets to qualify for stage SBT. So let's get started, guys. Here are the some of the artists right here that you can vote. So buy glow ticket for voting. So glow ticket R1. You can choose right here, okay? But make sure to sign in using your Gmail, Twitter, or any wallet or Connect wallet. Via Telegram also is available, guys. So let's just connect in Google. Okay, let's just continue. Alright guys, right now, we need to buy a glow ticket for voting, guys. You can also have the tutorial right here. Click the glow token. You can use the PayPal or add to cart right here. The minimum is 5 USD or 10 times 0.50, guys. They also pay with USDC, Bera chain, pay with Bera, okay? Also available. And after you got the tickets, guys, you can just vote, for example, this one. You can vote this one, guys, okay? They have performance right here that you can watch to verify that you want to vote this girl, guys. Gender, female, South Korea, About me, also available right here. Experience, okay? You can have their experience right here, guys. Okay, so this is the Korean version. Lee Che. You can follow that person on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. So for next stage, bet, win big, and stake. You can vote, bet, and stake, guys, or just promote this artist. Okay, so that's how you vote and earn in this platform, guys. So the glow, click the glow here. Quest, you can have the quest, invite friends. Referral, welcome to Star Glow, guys. 2 SGP you can earn by referring a friend. Okay, some quest right here. Referral. Invite your friend, 1 SGP. Social. Okay, Ben and Kenki. YouTube available. Eugene and Uni. Okay, guys. So this is the poll right here. Okay, you can vote also here. Okay, you can see all the poll right here. And the raffle. Guys, Golden Glow Ticket Raffle. 1 GTR1. Ends in 9 days and 3 hours. Also here, ends in 9 days and 3 hours. So this platform, guys, is backed by Chainwire, guys. So K-pop meets Web3. Star Glow launches to redefine fan, artists, and connection. So Star Glow launches and sharing in a new era of K-pop fandom with Web3. Transforming fans into stakeholders. Okay, so direct investment, transparent participation, and exclusive access, guys. Okay, so you will see the token allocation right here. How can you earn? So the Web3 Star Glower user, that's me. And then the fans, guys, they will meet on NFT as RWA. And then community share, SGT, guys, Star Glow. Airdrop, staking rewards, revenue, and then fun events, private boosts, exclusive quests, and exclusive poll. And then it will go to the Star IP. Okay, SGT and album concert promotion. And then it will go back again to Star Glow's revenue share. Okay, so that's how you earn here and the flow of the blockchain using this Chainwire and Star Glow tokenomics, guys. Okay, so building the future of human capital investment. So this is their website, Twitter, Medium, Discord. I will link that on my description down below. So where's the passion of K-pop becomes the power to shape its future about us, guys. So follow their Twitter right here, guys. So just click the follow button. Link in Starglow, starglow.io. The wait is finally over. The first Glow Stage 1 begins today. 100 artists, one dream, a new way to shine together. Watch, support, and help your favorite artists rise to the top and be part of the journey. So again, this is CryptoAs. If you enjoy this video about this new K-pop 2 Web3, guys, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think about this project. So again, this is CryptoHasi. Bye-bye.